Step number one, log into your software where you can create free YouTube intro videos. Step number two, join these three sites that will pay you to make YouTube intro videos. And step number three, get paid $47 per hour on a consistent basis. Now, before I get this video started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get the latest update on how I give away free videos about how to make passive income every single day. Now, the results of this is not guaranteed. I am only doing this for educational purposes. Now, the three steps to earn $40 to $7 per hour making free YouTube intro videos are, again, number one, I'm going to reveal to you the number one method to earn money with the free YouTube intro videos. And number two, I'm going to provide you with the software that will do the work for you. And step number three, I'm going to show you the three sites that will pay you the top dollar. Now, the first thing I did was I actually went to Google and typed in how much does motion graphic cost, and it says between around $20 to $150 per hour. But if you kind of do the math, the calculation, it's approximately about $40 to $70. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to this website called Video Creek. Now, this is the platform, this is the website that you're going to use to make free YouTube intro videos. And if you scroll down, again, this is trusted brands by Dropbox, CNN, Microsoft, AT&T, CNBC, Caterpillar. And again, if you scroll down more, this is some of the templates, examples that you could use. I mean, it has over 3,500 templates. And once you're on the site, we want to make an account. It's just right here. And this is the page that you will see, like this. This is a site that you will see. And again, some of these templates are already like done for you templates. You can just take this and just make your own. They put the business logo on it, and you're done. Now, once you made an account, you have to expose yourself out there. Like, how do I get the business to come to me? Now, one of the websites I could use is called Quicken Gigs. Now, Quicken Gigs is not like a top brand, like well-known freelancing services. And if you just type in YouTube intro videos, again, the reviews are really bad. There's like 5, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And if you look at the pricing range, it's about $30, $25, $10, $35, $60, $20. So, Quicken Gigs, again, it's another platform that you can use for freelancing services, but it's very kind of like, not known website. And the second website I could use called People Per Hour. Now, this is another freelancing website I could use. And if you scroll down, if you look at their bio, again, it's founded in 2007. It's been 13 years. Solved over 1 million people with their problems on their business. And again, it has paid over $135 million. And if you go to the search bar and type in YouTube intro videos, again, this is a little bit pricey. $100, $131, $49, $133, $131, $67. It's a little bit pricey, but this website is pretty well known. So this is another platform that you could use to offer freelancing services. Now, finally, this is one of the most highly recommended website. I think everybody knows about this website. It's called Fiverr. This is one of the most top branded, well-known freelancing services that you could use for your business. And if you type in YouTube intro videos, I mean, look at the reviews. 1K, 1K, 603, 47, 106, 885, 548, 1K. And if you look at the pricing range, 20, 20, 35, 55, 10, 45, 45, 15, 30, well, okay, over $1,000. I mean, that's a little bit pricey, but I mean, this is one of the websites I highly recommend to really kind of expose yourself for your business and your freelancing services. So to really, sum this video up, the first thing you want to do is go to Video Creek, make an account, and from there, expose yourself. So either go to one of these three platforms or three websites: Quicken Gigs, People Per Hour, or Fiverr. Now, if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you guys really want to know the strategics and how to make passive income every single day, there's a link below where I give away 4 free videos about how to do that. You can check that out. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.